Future question.
You pick.
Ako magbabasa. Ayun. This is an easy question. They say that practice makes perfect.
But no one.
But others say,
No one.
but nobody's perfect. So why practice? Why practice?
Come again.
Wait, boys.
Again.
Every year kaya tayo sasali, ah.
Perfect. Practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
But nobody's perfect.
No.
So why practice?
Well, I would like to thank my fans. Everybody in the crowd, you're all great. I love you all. About your question, is it an answer?
Ano ba?
About your question, actually, in the first place.
Sagutin mo na lang.
Kamukha mo si Ma'am Suniga.
Thank you.
Answer the question.
In the first place, all I gotta say is that you don't have to practice it in the first place. But in the second place. In the second place. You have to practice.
What's the third thing?
So why practice?
So why practice? Because you don't have to practice. If you're going to practice, there will be no practice.